Here I have TCL 30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the accessibility section, then go to the TalkBack. Here you can enable this feature. After that, TalkBack tutorial starts immediately, and it starts like TalkBack non-stop. So when you're in TalkBack, any action you want to perform, you have to do it like this. Firstly select it and then double tap it. Select, double tap. So now when you're in the TalkBack mode, everything will be like this. So for example, if you want to disable it, select it, double tap, and then once again. So yeah, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.